Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make affiliate money on TikTok without any followers. So before we get started, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm on their official website. So recently they have introduced a new program known as TikTok Shop. So to be eligible for this, you need to be a UK resident or a US resident, and you need to have your passport or UK address or relevant proof of address, and you must be 18 years of age. This is all you need to register for TikTok Shop. And with that all out of the way, you need to realize that you do need at least 1,000 followers on TikTok to be eligible for TikTok, to be eligible to be a TikTok shop seller. So unfortunately you cannot really make money, or you cannot really make affiliate money on TikTok shop without having 1,000 followers. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you have 1,000 followers, you can just open your TikTok shop and start earning affiliate money on TikTok. So yeah guys, if you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.